Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video, and I want you to stay put because I have a treat for you. Some people have been asking me, I've been putting up videos about this opportunity that I've been promoting and how it's been going. And someone said, well, do you have any proof that these opportunities work? Do you have any proof that you're making money from them? So what I want to do is I want to share that information with you guys and then talk about the opportunity that I'm promoting and why I think it's really good for people who are maybe just getting into the industry. Maybe you're looking for something that's easy to follow, and something that you can actually get started with within the next 24 to 48 hours. And when I joined this opportunity over 6 months ago, I was just blown away by the results, not just how much I was making, but how consistent I was getting paid. And that's the thing is when you join an opportunity, you want to have those consistent payments coming in because that's how you can ultimately leave your job, replace your income, or add to the income you currently have. I decided a long time ago I wanted this to replace my income way before this opportunity. But when it came around, I just could not join because I wanted something that I can offer to people that were in the US and also international. And I wanted something that would allow me to help people to start getting results and duplicating the results that I have. And one of the things I have to say is that results are not always typical. It depends on your efforts and what you put into the opportunity. So I tell people whenever you join an opportunity, especially like this, you want to give it 90 days of a good run. And what I mean is working on your business 10 hours a week over the next 90 days. It doesn't mean that it's going to take 90 days to get results, but you want to put in a ton of effort right from the beginning because that's going to help you to start to have leverage within a business and not only that understand exactly what you need to do in order to start seeing success. So this is my Stripe account, and what I'm going to do is hit this refresh button so that you guys know that this is live time, live information. And this is just one of the accounts that I use where I receive payments. So this is my passive income online. That's the name of my business. This is my account. I just hit the refresh button. Today is November 23rd. It is 8:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am in New York. And as you can see here, the report overview for the last 7 days, I was able to make $2,451. Okay. And that's just from online marketing, affiliate marketing, actually promoting other people's products and receiving funds from promoting other people's products. So the one that we're going to talk about today, this is my capture page. When you get started, you will have access to this capture page, which I love because it's straight to the point, never done before. Brand new marketing system uses one thing to generate multiple payouts on 100% autopilot. And that means basically doing it over and over again because they give you the ads that you need to use in order to be successful. So you don't have to create any marketing material. You don't have to come in and know how to market an opportunity. You can just be brand new and learn from the system how to start getting results. So this is called Infinity Processing System, and there's no experience required, no selling, no pitching, no chances of rejection because you can just give out the website and allow it to do the selling and selling for you. And the system is not complicated at all. Okay. And I love that about this because if you can get up and running as quickly as possible, it's going to motivate you to start putting your information out so that you can start getting results. So when you actually get started, in the description is below if you want to get more information and actually take a look at the website. They have a total of three different levels, and each level is a one-time payment, and it also includes a $25 admin fee for your website. So they have the $50 level, the $150, and the $300 level. If you come in at the top level, you're going to get all the levels below it, and you pay the one-time fee to get your website created, which will look like this. People will be able to come right down here to your checkout button or link and actually make a payment that will go directly to you. There's no middleman. All payments are going to go to you directly. So this is what the website looks like. Again, the information is below. And I just wanted to share results because this is not something that's made up. It is extremely possible to be successful online. There's a lot of people that are working online part-time or full-time and maintaining a consistent income by doing so. And you don't have to create products. You don't have to know how to promote products. You don't even have to know how to create a website. When you join this opportunity, all of that is done for you. So all you have to do is get plugged into the training. Make sure that you reach out to your sponsor to make sure there's nothing that you're missing and that you have everything that you need in order to get started and to be successful in this business. And if you are a person that it's hard to learn certain things or you want extra help, there's nothing wrong with that. Feel free to reach out to me and I will help you. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Everyone, I hope that you enjoy your Thanksgiving. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great night. And for those who are watching during the day, have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.